YouTube has removed content showing illegal trade of pangolin protected under the Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Act 1972 on its platform following a year-long effort by the Wildlife Trust of India and the overall wildlife conservation fraternity. Over the past year, the Wildlife Crime Control Division at the WTI has been tracking such content and compiled a list of URLs that was promptly responded to by the video sharing and social media giant WTI said in a statement. As of now, a team has been able to report 35 such video links on YouTube. A detailed report was sent to YouTube to inform them of the illegal protection that the pangolin has in India while highlighting that such content can be marked under various sections defying the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 and CITES Resolution of Conservation and Trade of Pangolins, it said. Both the Indian and the Chinese subspecies of the pangolin showcased in these videos are protected under the Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Act 1972 and hence the capture, hunting and possession of the animal makes one liable to the highest penalties including financial penalties or prison term or both. Both these species of pangolins are also listed as being critically endangered by the IUCN Red List of species with numbers below 5,000 in the wild. The products derived from pangolins are in high demand, especially from the Southeast Asian countries with the baseless belief that it possesses magic and has healing abilities. In 2016, all 8 species of pangolin were moved from Appendix 2 to Appendix 1, which completely prohibits any international trade in pangolin and pangolin parts. The Wildlife Trust of India's statement also flagged that it's just not pangolins that are being marked for sale on the internet. Illegal wildlife and pet trade on the internet also extends to several protected species of turtles, tortoises, snakes, lizards, and birds. Hatha Jodi, a product that was marked as a rare plant root, but actually has severed and dried genitals of the highly protected monitor lizards, did rounds on social media and several popular e-commerce platforms till WTI exposed the trade, it said. The Wildlife Trust of India has appealed to animal lovers to engage with its cyber sport network where they can help report such objectionable content being shared on social media. News Desk, Kamadi Global.